Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's 20 after 8 in the morning on a Sunday. And I'm going to start, first of all, I let it sit overnight with a couple of clean paper towels under it. And I got no drips. Now that just means it doesn't drip naturally. Doesn't mean it's not going to drip under pressure of running. But what can I say? So I'm going to do a cold start now and check that oil line that's been vexing us, and let it run for a while, and then maybe even dress it out. So here we go. Okay, this is going to be a cold start. Let's see what happens. Petcock on. Petcock on. Little tickle over on this side. This side's not a great tickle, but it's okay. Okay, ignition on. Let's see. These banjo bolts are going to be the vexation of my life. So this one didn't leak yesterday, and that one did, and that one's not, and this one is. Ay, 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 ay. I mean, the fun never stops is a lot of fun to say, but frankly, this is getting old. Okay, that's tight as a drum. That's got to be this fitting right here. Oh, look at this. It's popped completely off. That is my problem. I didn't get that clamp in the right place. All right, I'm going to reclamp that front junction and do it again. You know, do it right or do it again. Okay, let's continue with today's hilarity. Apparently, when I clamped that, I got the clamp on top of a barb, not on the inside edge of a barb. And yesterday's running and today's running, the pressure just slowly pushed that tube off of the barb. These little banjo bolts don't have a lot of length to them. I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and run this now and check for leaks, let it run, and then let it sit till Kevin gets back. He won't be back for another week or so, maybe a little more, and I'm just gonna go ahead and order a new stock set of oil lines for the head on this thing. Just because the ones I made I think are just fine once I get them to stop leaking, but I'm gonna go ahead and order a new set just because. So anyway, I'm gonna start it up now, and let's see if it blows off another line. I'm done. It's leaking. I don't know if it's the line or the banjo. Does not appear to be the copper washers. Let's see. It's tight. Yeah, I'm done. I'm not gonna fool with it anymore. And a little gas leak there. Up at the top. I'm just not going to mess with it anymore. I'm going to order a new set of oil lines. That right-hand petcock looks like it needs to be tightened. I'll do that, and then put the bike aside and go back to working on this really nice 750 with the speedometer drive in it. Yeah, maybe even right away this morning. So Fred goes back over here in stasis, pending receipt of a new oil line assembly and my lack of interest in working on him. So anyway, that's where we are. I'm going to call it a day as far as Fred is concerned.